So in yesterday's video, I clearly told you about Bitcoin being, finding a stability around 66,000 to 64,000 max, where we can build and bet on odds. And in the last video, if you go on my channel and if you look at it, you will find that I was very bullish on S&P, as well as because it was taking support at a good Fibonacci ratio, and this is clearly a bounce, and this is a very good bounce. You can see that the S&P has bounced exactly from that level, and it has almost pumped 1.24%, while Bitcoin has done how much? Let me show you what Bitcoin has done till now. In the BTC time frame, let me show you the Binance charts, and you can see where the price found stability. Let me just make it in the daily time frame. Actually, you can see that the price that we told in the last video was 66,300 to 64,000, and you can see where the wick went. And if you clearly want, if you clearly mark the levels, this was the level that the price went. It was around 66,837, and my level was 66,300 or 400. And this I told in the Telegram channel around 67,456 when we were about to go down. So I told you a dump. I saved you from a dump, then I gave you a pump. I gave you around a pump around 66,000 to 64,000, and it is actually a great pump. Maybe I was not exactly right, but I was right at the end of the day, and that made me money. And I'm actually in long of Ethereum 100x, okay, leverage. So what now? What could happen now? So clearly we can see that the good thing is that Bitcoin is also holding in the daily time frame the 0.382 Fibonacci ratio. This is the ratio being supported at, and this is the ratio that below this everything was a very funny manipulation. Okay, so this was a manipulation wick, and this is a great pump. And what I suspect is that this pump would, this pump actually ate all of these 4 candles, and this is a very bullish setup for Bitcoin. And this is why I think we might see very upside in the coming days in Bitcoin. Okay, so what you could possibly do in the meantime for Ethereum, for Bitcoin, let me show you. For Ethereum, what you can do is you can open up the chart in Bitcoin, in the Binance, you should open the Bitcoin Ethereum chart in the Binance exchange. Okay, after that what you can do is you can just mark the fib ratios. Okay, start marking the fib ratios, and what you will see is very surprising that recently when Ethereum was crashing, it exactly went to the fib 0.618 ratio, and then it is likely bouncing up. So what we need to see is the 0.5 hold. If Ethereum manages to close above this 0.5 region, then we can expect a clear-cut rally in Ethereum to around 0.382 region. That is around 2850, and we can easily pump till then. Okay, so this is a very clear-cut technical analysis. I don't know if you get such clear, simple, concise technical analysis. If you guys got anything to learn from this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you join the Telegram, and if you want to avail my mentorship program, you can just DM me on my Bitcoin Scalper group in the Telegram chat. I'll just be posting more about the in mentorship program very soon. So meanwhile, what we can do is we can place bets on Ethereum, because it is looking actually very fine right now, because it is actually very oversold. Why? Because Bitcoin normally takes support at 0.382 levels, but meanwhile Ethereum actually went down till the golden pocket ratio, and it went up. So currently it is struggling much more than Bitcoin to just reclaim the 0.5 level. I don't know how it will reclaim the 0.382 level, but what I suspect is that from this area to this area, this is a clear-cut trade in Ethereum, and I'm longing it. I'm mega longing it. I'm putting all my saving. I'm selling my GF. I'm selling my wife. I'm selling my mother, and I'm just putting all of them into Ethereum leverage long 2x. Okay, so I'll just buy them back whenever the time is right. I'll just surprise them with some jewelry and with some frogs and all that shit. Okay, so this is what I think. This is what you also must think. I don't know what you think up until now. You must think what I think. Okay, so this is a very forceful way of putting my opinion onto you, but this is very simple, guys. You can just see that that Ethereum should reclaim the 0.5 level. This is the 5th level, and Fibonacci ratios work very perfect in any asset. You can put this onto gold, you can put this on S&P, everywhere it works. Okay, so this is my technique of taking scalp trades. If you want to learn more, make sure you subscribe to this channel, make sure you join the Telegram channel. I'll just be posting more and more content. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.